there, baby. Come and grab my body.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me here again, Oge, reaching from Abuja, Nigeria. In today's video, I want to show you a grocery haul with fruits haul. Yes, this is how I buy from time to time. This is not how I buy every time, but when I try to stretch my budget, I may buy things like this in bulk, and usually it will last me a month, between a month to 3 months, depending on all the items here. You see here, this is yam, and it's gwangu yam. I bought 10 of it and for about 12,000 naira. Yeah, and then this is onions. I bought these onions for about 1,500 naira. I joined a food group which helps me save a lot of money, and yeah, since I joined it, I don't regret. I have no regrets. I normally buy all this together and then I save on transport. This is Irish potatoes. I bought half painter, 20 liters, half of it for right now the cost is about 5,000 naira for half painter. If it's cheaper than when I'm buying in individual bean baskets like it's regularly sold in the Abuja market. And this is crayfish. This is one paint bucket of crayfish is about 4,800 naira or thereabout, and yeah, it lasts me up to 3 months. I have my cocoa balls, I have my golden morn, I have my cornflakes, milk, and Milo. I bought all of these unbranded. They are all one painter. Each of them is half painter because that's how it was packaged. Each of this milk can fill the not regular tin milk about 2 times or thereabouts. So it's really cheap when you're buying unbranded ones. I also buy branded ones. This crayfish was given to me as an extra from the chicken that I got. If you buy them bulk, you get really good deals. I also got some sausages. I have some palm oils. I have some extracted banga juice. Then I have my butter beans, one painter as well. This goes for about 2,500 naira or so. That's about 3 mudu. Yeah, about 2,400 or 500. I'm not sure exactly. I have my fried dried pomo. I have my extracted banga juice. I have my palm oil. The palm oil is about 5 liters, but it was distributed in these individual pans like that. Yes, that's for the groceries. And then I have my fruit. This fruit is usually for a week. I normally buy my fruit every week, so this is what I have for this week. I got them and then I normally put them in the fridge. In a separate video, I'll be showing you guys how I store my fruits and vegetables. I think I already showed, okay, that I did. I just talk about it. I'm going to be showing you hands-on how I preserve my fruits and vegetables, how I store them. But in the meantime, I'm going to be showing you all that I have, and if I remember the prices, I'm going to be telling you the prices as well. So I'm starting with my watermelon. This watermelon goes for about 500 naira now. 800 naira. The cabbage is about 500 naira. The carrots about 600 naira. Yeah, my oranges, one basket is about 800, between 600 to 800 naira. I have my pawpaw. These 2 pawpaw goes for about 1,000 naira. Yeah, and then I have my pineapple. It's about 800 naira. My cucumber is about 600 naira. Yes, and then I have my green beans, which I'm going to be storing in the freezer with my carrots. Okay, so that mango was about 1,000 naira, about 1,500 naira, yes. And then my apples, which goes for about 3 for 500 naira, so that's about 2,000 naira worth of apples, or 1,500 naira. Yeah, I can't really say for now. So that's it for my grocery for the week. That's for the fruits for the week, but the other groceries and the cereals can actually last me up to 2 months. So this is how I make my vegetable combo every day, other than the apples and mangoes that we take for snack to work or school. This is what we do every day after dinner or before dinner. We normally take this 15 minutes before dinner time or about an hour after dinner. Yes, in the future I'm going to be blending this and just making juice or smoothies. I normally make smoothies or smoothies at the moment, but juicing it, I don't have a good juicer and I don't want to blend and sieve. Yeah, so but in the future, when I get to do whatever it is I decide to do, I'm going to be letting you guys see and do same if you choose to. This is the ways we do healthy living in this house. Anything we do, we incorporate some fruits and vegetables into it, and because we have made it a habit, we don't get to feel like we're eating grass like some people would. Yeah, it sometimes is very boring to eat fruits and vegetables, but when you make it a part of your life, you don't get to feel like you're doing anything extraordinary. By the way, guys, remember that when you go to the hospital and doctor says eat healthy, eat fruits and vegetables, eat they don't have the time to tell you all the benefits that fruits and vegetables have for the body. They are as important as the rice and beans you are eating. Okay, this pawpaw is not ripe yet, so I'm going to move on. They are as important as the rice and beans you are eating, yes, and in fact more important. It's just that those ones you need them for carbohydrates, you need them for other things. We need all kinds of fruits and vegetables for the different vitamins and minerals that we need. Yes, I made a video talking about the number of fruits and vegetables. I'm going to be linking them. I mean minerals and vitamins that we need, the reason why we might need some supplements. Natural is always better, so if you eat it natural from the fruits and vegetables that we get, and the food, whole foods, is always better. But in a case where you can't find yourself doing that, you can supplement. Bear in mind that the supplements we take do not necessarily have to, in fact they should not in any way make up for eating our balanced diet. So eating balanced diet is very important. So guys, remember that you don't eat your fruit with your food. You eat your fruits before or after your food, but vegetables can always come with the fruit. If you have any questions or you're not sure what is vegetable and what is fruit, please let me know in the comment section so I can make another video to explain properly to you guys. So that's it for this, and I've cut it in really small sizes so my children can eat it. Can, in fact, anybody here. This is fruit and veg. This is a combo for everyone in the family. We've had our apples and all the rest of them in earlier in the day. This is what we normally do at dinner time, and with some oranges if we didn't get to have that during the day. So guys, I hope this video is helpful to you in one way or another. I make videos on healthy living, budgeting, and delicious recipes. Budgeting we do budgeting because we want to make all these healthy living and great recipes easy on your pocket, to make you save some money and then have better things to do with your money. I hope it's able to help you. I hope you'll be able to learn one or two things from this video. If you have, let me know in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up so that YouTube can know that you are enjoying this video or you like the videos that I share. And then don't forget to subscribe if you've not already subscribed, and then click on the bell icon so you know that so you get notifications anytime I share a new video. And then feel free to share with your friends. It's absolutely free. Thank you guys for all your support and your love. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be seeing you guys in another video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.